Hi, this is Too Fast here. In this video, I will show you this H11 fog light LED bulb. This one I have here is made by the company OXILAM. Let me open this up and I'll show you what these lights look like. Each of these lights output 1500 lumen and the color temperature is 6000 Kelvin, which is a pure white color. It operates between 12 to 24 volt DC and has a power rating of 7.5 watt. Looking at the light, you see there are 4 high-power 2020 LED chip. They've placed the LED at the same distance from the base to match that of the filament in a halogen bulb. This will help reduce glare when using LED lights. At the base is a rubber gasket to keep moisture out of the light housing. Now I'll connect this to my power supply so you can see the light output. The color is a pure white color. Now one thing I noticed about this light is it's not so bright that it's blinding, and that might be done on purpose as this light is designated to be a fog light bulb replacement. And a lot of times when you install LED headlight bulb in the fog light, it can put out a lot of glare. Now I'll take this to the car and get it installed and we'll see how it performs. I'll be installing these LED lights into the fog light of this Honda Odyssey. Let me first turn on the regular halogen fog light so you can see what they look like. To replace a light bulb on this fog light, remove one Phillips screw and this will come out. Install the LED lights. Let's have a look at the difference between the halogen light on the left side and the LED light on the right side. As you can see, the LED light has a pure white color. Now I will replace the passenger side. Let's take a look with both LED lights installed. Let's have a look at these fog lights at night. One thing I noticed about these LED lights is that they might not have the huge amount of lumens, but they're very suitable for fog light housing that uses reflector lens. By placing the LED chip at the same focal point as a halogen bulb, you have very little glare coming from these LED lights. So if you're looking for a set of LED lights that has that pure white color and you're installing it in reflector housing, this can be a very good choice. Now if you want to know where to get it, I will include the link in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comment section. And remember to click on a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.